So a while back, I was in Rhode Island teaching a real estate company owner how to recruit producing agents. And I thought, oh, I'm going to go to Newport, Rhode Island. Now, if you've ever been, I recommend Newport, Rhode Island. It's got the Vanderbilt mansions and all these big mansions. The most expensive street in America is in there. So they're all like big 40-acre parcels with sheep grazing on their front lawn and everything. So it's pretty impressive on the water. But I get done with that. It's kind of late at night. It got dark very late there. So it's about 9 o'clock at night. And I think, oh, there's an ice cream shop. I'm going to go get me some ice cream. So right next door to the ice cream shop is a gas station, old gas station that has been converted into a selling lawnmowers and snow blowers and stuff like that. So I notice the guy is rolling the snow blowers and the lawnmowers back in. He's closing up, and I get to the ice cream shop at closing time. So the teeny bopper girl gets my ice cream, and then I'm paying this older lady. And I said to the lady, I said, "Is this your ice cream shop?" She goes, "Yeah, I'm the owner." I said, "Well, it's very nice, and thanks for the ice cream." I go out, I sit on a picnic table, and I'm watching the guy roll the equipment into his thing, and I'm thinking, it's 9 o'clock at night, and this lady was probably there at 7 a.m. And that guy, the younger guy that owns the lawnmower shop, he was probably there at 7 a.m. If you own your own business, you work long hours. I don't know anybody that owns their own business and doesn't work a 14-hour day, me included. So what do people do in real estate? You get into real estate and people tell you what's possible, but they never tell you what's expected of you. Well, I'll tell you what's expected of you. It's long hours, very long hours at very high pay, or it's very short hours at very low pay. That's up to you. But if you decide that you would like to make very high pay for working long hours, and yeah, you might not start until 9 a.m., but again, you might be telephone prospecting in the morning, you have lunch at noon, you go on a listing appointment at 2:30 in the afternoon, like many Fearless Agent coaching students of mine do. You get the listing, you make 10 grand or 15 grand or more, and then you eat dinner, and then you have a 7 o'clock p.m. appointment, you get another listing, you make another 15 grand, but you probably don't get home until 10 p.m., and you're just like the old lady in the ice cream shop and that guy in the lawnmower shop. The only difference is you make 3 times as much as they do per year, or 4. So if any of this stuff makes sense to you and you want to earn your full worth in real estate, I want you to give me a call at 480-385-8810. At the end of that call, we'll do a complimentary coaching call. I will not be closing you. The goal will be to find out if Fearless Agent coaching is a good fit for you. If it is a good fit for you, there's no hard work, it's just long hours at very high pay. That's the way it works. We'll find out if that's a good fit for you. If you happen to be, by the way, go to fearlessagentpodcast.com, listen to our audio podcast. That will help you make more money right away. You can also go to our free webinar, watch that at fearlessagent.com. That will give you more information. It would be better coaching for free than you would pay any other coach in America for. If you're a real estate company owner and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help, go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, watch that video. That would give you an idea of what I do might be a good fit for you. Then give me a call again at 480-385-8810, and let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.